Sahil Khan, 22 years old, an entrepreneur. He runs tosssalad.com, he runs Yorkshire, he blogs, he tweets all day, and he also takes time to write a story in a book. So thanks for being here, Sahil. And our very special guest this evening is Ishita Sharma. I think all of you must have seen her in very different hatke offbeat films like Lions of Punjab Presents and Dil Dosti, etc. Both films she played a campus student, although from very different backgrounds. So she's going to talk about that today. That is myself. I've edited the collection and I've written a few short stories in there. We have Ashish here. Ashish is a film producer. He's a writer. He writes screenplays. When he finds time, he also poses for book covers, because writers don't make money anyway. We felt, there are a lot of stories from back in school, back in college, hostel life. Everyone has these stories. So let's provide a forum that brings out these stories. And again, let's bring some young talent into the publishing world.
Yeah, as you mentioned, young talent, but first I'll focus on the name of the book, Down the Road. I'm sure you must have had some discussions about what the name should be, because when you talk about campus stories, as we see on cinema or however else, we think of love stories, but this one has all kinds of stories based on campus. So how did you come about choosing the name Down the Road?
I think with some help from all of you, I think what we did was we shortlisted a few names. Naman, you suggested a very interesting one, which was the runner-up. Attendance is compulsory. And what we did was we tweeted these different options. We put it out on Facebook. We asked people to vote. And Down the Road was, a close runner with attendance is compulsory, which is one of the sections of the book. So it was based on feedback from, I would say, our target audience.
So I've been reading Enid Blyton. I started reading very young. I started with Secret Seven, and I went on to bigger and better books like Mario Puzo, like everybody else did.
Yeah.
So the only problem I had with writing a short story was I was used to writing long scripts and long screenplays, and to encapsulate a character's journey into 10 pages rather than 100 pages is very, very difficult to make readers relate to what the person goes through, to make the readers fall in love, smile, sigh, and heartbreak. In 10 pages was a difficult task for me.
Because I was always into writing, editorial board in school and school magazines. So I wrote a play, very Bollywood play, masala, a lot of comedy and stuff. I wasn't sure. I pulled it off in 10 days with a very eclectic mix of a cast. People wouldn't turn up on time. And when the play got over, I was there just in the last scene, and I looked down at the audience, and there were 300 people standing up and clapping. So that is one memory that definitely stands out.
Tell us a little about the girls in your story.
The girls?
There are two girls, right?
Yeah. The character, as I last
how
time
did you meet them?
Yeah, I'll tell you what. I know where you're getting. As I mentioned to you last time, all of my stories that I write are always, at least the base is rooted in reality. So I have no qualms in admitting that all of them are inspired, at least somewhere, from my life. The girl mentioned here, I did have a friend like that, but beyond that, just the character is inspired. None of the incidents. Then they get questionable. And, yeah. Last time when my mom read my story, she raised an eyebrow and said, "Who's this? I've not met her yet." And I was like, no.
You actually should work on our writing skills. Probably never can be as strong as you guys. But that's something that I try to work on and read whatever books that I hear about. And other things like, I did like the Harry Potter series. I think that was quite cool. So yeah, anyway, that's I do a lot of reading.
Does short stories and campus-based short stories appeal to you?
Oh,
do you think it appeals to your generation?
Of course. I think look at our movies right now. We're all trying to make younger films to cater to this audience because younger people are getting into the business. And as I said earlier, I don't think anybody can understand this life as well as we can. Especially in a place like India where the generation gap is more apparent than, say, a place like the US.
Hi, I'm Sahil Khan, a contributing author in Down the Road. And you're watching me on ismalni.com. How I got the book was I run a blog where I had reviewed the publisher's first book, and that's where my writing caught him. And how the experience has been, this is my second short story that I've ever written in my life. And it's really difficult because I'm from the Twitter generation, writing things at 140 characters and stretching them to 1,500 words. It's a task. People have written 9 stories in 1 month. It took me 1 month to write a 1,500 word story.